everyone, my name is Tin Mulema. Welcome to my gardening channel. So excited to share my garden adventure with you. Let's go to my garden. Right over here I have potato and grass mulch. Here I have a sweet chat spinach. I have a lot of sweet chat spinach because I'm silly. That's why. And again is sweet chat spinach. It was my first time planting it and I'm so happy with the results. For a first time person, obviously I'll be happy. Right over here I have beetroot, my second time planting it. So happy as always, doing amazing. It's really doing amazing. Then over here I have tomatoes. My tomatoes are doing so well. They are so well. This one is almost ready to be harvested. Almost sweet chat again. And right over here I have peppers. Here are my peppers. I have peppers. That's sweet chat. Then over here I have a mustard spinach. Then moving, we have onions. Here are my onions. So happy with the results, guys. It was my first time planting onions, so I wasn't expecting them to be this great. But they're doing so well. They're doing so well. Super happy. Must remove these. Remove them as much as possible because they're disturbing my veggies. Yeah, you see. Good. Over here I have a cabbage. I'll be transplanting them today. I'll transplant them today in the afternoons because it's a good time to transplant your veggies in the afternoon. So I'll transplant them today in the afternoon. They are ready to be transplanted. So I want to do some little harvest of potatoes. Some of them, they are ready to be harvested. I want to cook. I want to make some chips. You see, some of them are ready to be harvested. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Before I take something, I check first. I check if they are ready or not before I take, because some of them, let me take my, so I can check. I have to check. You see, them they like hiding. Nothing. So we are moving. Nothing. We are moving. We are going here. You can see something right here. It's showing. Look, look, look. You see, this one is still more than we are putting it up. It requires a lot of strength. Look what I've done to my beautiful, beautiful potatoes. Have to dig to check if there's, yeah, you see, but this one left is small. You see, let me go and check my bowl. Then the small one, taking it back, just I can. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye. See you on my next video.